Hi everyone, today I want to talk about something that doesn't always get the attention it deserves, but trust me, it makes a huge difference in your home and in your laundry. I'm talking about Purio washing machine cleaner tablets. Now let's be honest. Most of us don't really think about cleaning our washing machines. After all, they're supposed to clean clothes, right? But over time, detergent residue, fabric softener, hard water buildup, and even pet hair all sneak into spots we can't see, like under the drum, in the seals, and in the hoses. That buildup doesn't just stay hidden. It's what causes that musty smell when you open your washer, and it can even make your clothes smell less than fresh, no matter how much detergent you use. That's where Purio comes in. These little tablets are so simple, and they really work. All you do is drop one or two into your empty washer, run a normal or cleaning cycle with hot water, and let it do the heavy lifting. The tablets dissolve, fizz, and travel through the entire system, breaking down the grime and reaching those tight spaces you could never scrub by hand. By the end of the cycle, your washer smells fresh, your machine feels cleaner, and your laundry starts coming out better too. What I really love about this product is the convenience. Each box gives you 24 tablets, which is enough for a full year if you use them every other week. You don't have to constantly remember to buy more. It's just a simple solution you can count on month after month. And if you get the version that comes with wipes, you can finish the job by wiping down the door, the buttons, and the outside of the machine. It leaves everything spotless and smelling clean. Another big plus is that it works with every kind of washer. Front load, top load, high efficiency, or standard. It doesn't matter. One product that fits every home. I've seen people use it for everyday maintenance, and I've also seen reviews from pet owners who swear it's the only thing that keeps dog smells from clinging to their washers. That's a serious test, and it passed with flying colors. Now, are these tablets going to remove every single mineral stain or buildup on the first try? Probably not. If you've got really stubborn stains inside the seals, you may still need to give it a quick wipe or scrub. But when it comes to odor control, freshness, and keeping your washer running smoothly, these tablets deliver. The truth is, a washing machine is an investment, and maintaining it is just as important as cleaning the clothes you put inside. Using Purio regularly doesn't just make your laundry smell fresher, it helps extend the life of your machine, which can save you money in the long run. So here's my take. Purio washing machine cleaner tablets are a simple, affordable, and effective way to keep your washer clean and fresh. Just drop one in, let it do its thing, and enjoy the difference. It's one of those little household hacks that once you start using, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner.